that my dad did, and I say this to all the men out there, my father always included me. It was never just my father and my brother. That when my brother learned something, I learned something. So when he got his first little pair of boxing gloves, I had my little bitty pair of boxing gloves. And we'd go down in the basement and learn how to do some jabs. And so my father was the person that's like, you have to know how to handle yourself.
That's fantastic.
So I had a very loving father who treated me as an equal. He never talked down to me. My brother was taught to respect me. And I say this because a lot of times when people wonder how do girls become strong, you know, we look to the mother, but it's very much the men in their lives, you know. And men out there, don't underestimate the role you play in helping girls feel loved and secure. And that's the one thing I had in spades. I had a father who loved me, a big brother who adored me, grandfathers who cherished me. So that's how I grew up. So I was allowed to have a voice.